In this video today, I'm going to go through all the ways most DJs transition through songs. Every song I use in this video I'll include in a downloadable file down below so you can follow along. Before we start, if you can transition that like button from grey to blue, I'd really appreciate it. Turning it to blue allows YouTube to push this video out to more DJs. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, and let's get into the video. What's going on, people? I go by the name of DJ CB and I help bedroom DJs transition over to a club DJ. If you like the sound of that, make sure you hit that subscriber button down below and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. If you've just subscribed, write I subscribe in the comments down below and I'll reply back instantly. Let's get into it. So as an urban DJ, I usually play R&B, hip hop and UK music. So in this video today, I'm going to describe transitions for those type of genres. If you DJ any other genres, keep watching to the end because I'm sure all these techniques I show in this video, you'll still be able to use. So the first way DJs transition between songs is mixing and blending. Mixing and blending is simply mixing 2 songs together and you can hear both of the songs at the same time. As an urban DJ, the way everyone normally does it is you'll play a song up until the chorus. Once the chorus starts, you'll play your next song using the intro version song. A chorus is usually 8 bars and an intro version song starts with an 8-bar instrumental. So this allows you to mix a song. Once the chorus gets to the end of the 4th bar, you'll bring in the next song so you can start to hear it. So once you get to the 8th bar of the chorus of the first song, you'll then take that out. Did that sound a bit confusing? Let me demonstrate.
First things first, I fuck, get all the money. Bitches love me, keep it honey.
Once you do that a few times, you'll get the hang of it. I'll leave these 2 songs in the description down below so you can follow along. This technique does involve counting music, so I'll leave a link to DJ TLM's counting music video down in the description. It'll help you out a lot. Once you've mastered that, you can then start to use effects on your mixer or even start using sound effects. Let me demonstrate these.
First things first, I fuck, get all the money. First things first, I fuck, get all the money. First things first, I fuck, get all the money.
I rarely use the siren sound effect when I transition because some DJs use it to cover up bad transitions and we do not do bad transitions around here. The next technique DJs use to transition between songs is dropping on the 1. Dropping on the 1 is playing one song then quickly change it to another and dropping it on the first bar. Let me demonstrate.
And I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu.
When she stepped in looking like a snack, man damn ready to attack.
That one is very simple, but it doesn't work with every single song. A tip that I'll give to you guys is drop a song on the 1 where the song has something interesting or something that makes the crowd go wild. For example, Heads High by Mr. Vegas. Let me demonstrate.
You know why I want, so give me that. Yeah, we know givers never lack.
Heads high, kill them with the no.
This will have your crowds going, oh! Then you can rewind the song if you want to. The next technique is the same as the one before, but instead of just dropping it in, we're going to scratch it in. Let me demonstrate.
When I stepped in looking like a snack, the girl damn ready to attack. You know why I want, so give me that. Yeah, we know givers never lack.
Heads high, kill them with the no.
Now this technique isn't for beginners, but I will put it in here so you can build up to it. This again, you'll need to try and drop on an interesting part of the song to make the crowds go wild. Every single song I use in this video, I'll leave in the description down below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. Also, don't forget to check out my How to Become a DJ in 2021 playlist. I'm going to leave the description down below. Also, I'm going to leave it on the screen right now. I go by the name of DJ CB and we're out.